Hello children, welcome back to the class of English. Today we'll continue with the story of Juman and Algu, that is the fair play, written by Premchand, and this is a retold story. So in the last session we had talked about Juman and Algu and how the aunt asked for justice. Let us revise what we did in the last week. This story is of two close friends, Juman Sheikh and Algu Chaudhary, and how justice is beyond friendship and enmity. We saw that when Algu got the responsibility of being the head punch, he forgot that he is Juman's friend and he did his work very honestly. Once there was a dispute between Juman and his aunt, so she approached the punch. Algu was the head punch. He got the responsibility of justice, so he gave the decision in favor of the aunt. He said aunt should be given her property back. Since that day, Juman became an enemy of Algu. This is what we discussed in the last period. Now let's see what will happen next. Today we'll move with the part 3 of the narration of the story Fair Play. Algu's ill fate. Ill fate means his bad luck. What happened to Algu? Let us see. Years passed and Algu got a tight situation. Tight situation means he had a bad time, a bad luck. His one bullock died. So he sold another bullock to Samju Sahu. Who is Samju Sahu? He is one of the person in the village who is rich and who buys things and helps people. And so a bullock driver of the village on the term that he will pay the price of the bullock in 1 month. उसने कहा कि मैं 1 महीने में तुम्हें इसके पैसे दे दूंगा. So Samju Sahu was a bullock driver of the village and he was good enough. But see the ill fate of this person. When Algu sold his bullock to Samju Sahu, he did not know what would happen next. So he was just living his life nicely. What happened unfortunately is the bullock died within the month. एक ही महीने में वो bullock मर गया. Now Algu went to Samju to take the money of the bullock. समझू ने बोला था कि 1 महीने में मैं आपको पैसे दे दूंगा. So now Samju got angry and he replied, your bullock died within a month. I have nothing for you. Your bullock died. Why should I pay money for it? So what happened to Algu? He lost his bullock also and he lost the money also. Now Algu thought of approaching the panchayat. So Algu brought Samju to the panchayat. He said, let us go to the panchayat. Let's have a quick decision on this, what to do, because I want my money back. Now the villagers asked Samju to choose the head punch. Now same thing like aunt. Here the spelling of punch is P-U-N-C-H. Please make it P-A-N-C-H. Okay, so Samju nominated Juman because he knew that there is an enmity between Juman and Algu. दोनों दुश्मन है, चलो फ़ायदा उठा लो. You might have heard about the story of the two monkeys. We have a proverb in Gujarati, બે વાંદરા લડે એમાં બિલાડી ખાઈ જાય. So we must not fight with our friends, because whenever we fight, the third person will take advantage of it. So it's okay we have quarrel. You might have recalled the poem Quarrel, and in that we had seen that it's okay that we quarrel for some time. Quarrels are only of a short duration, and afterwards we must forgive each other and we must forget things. Keeping grudges in mind, having enmity, this is not our work. We must always be good to others. We must always be kind to others. Okay, now Algu got worried, because when he came to know that now Juman is the head punch, now he will surely take the revenge and he will give the decision against me. He will not be in favor of me, and now I lose my bullock, I lose my money. Bullock has already died, so I will not get anything. Now see what's Juman's decision. When you read the lesson, I think you might have come to know about this story, but still I've narrated the story so that the others who have not read it will get an idea. And always think beyond your imagination. Now here this is Juman's decision, that he gave the decision. Let us see whether in favor or against. But you must also have some habit of writing like this, what happened next, so you will get an idea. Every person has a different perception, everyone has a different idea, so you might write something else. So do something like this creative, so you will have many ideas in your mind. Okay, now let's see Juman's decision. Once Juman became the punch, he got the dignity and justice of punch in his mind. Now see, same like Algu. एक बार हम जब चेयर पे आ जाते हैं, एक रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी सी बन जाती है, तो वो हेड पंच की जगह पे बैठा है और उसके सिर पे रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी है. Now he'll be just, he won't be unfair to anyone. So what he did is, he gave the decision in favor of Algu, and he said that Algu gave the bullock to Samju in good condition, free from disease. So if the bullock is dead, the responsibility lies with Samju, not Algu. जब उसने बुलॉक बेचा था तब वो अच्छी कंडीशन में था, उसको कोई डिजीज़ नहीं थी. ये बात अलग है कि समझू ने बोला था कि मैं 1 महीने के बाद पैसे दूंगा, बट दैट डज नॉट मीन दैट इफ़ द बुलॉक डाइज ही विल नॉट पे द मनी. The bullock died due to ill fate, so it's not Algu's responsibility to bear the responsibility of the money and lose the money. It is Samju's responsibility to give the money to Algu. So Algu got happy and he said to the punch, no friendship or enmity, it knows only justice. So punch, there is a proverb in Gujarati, even in Premchand's story, it is written on the cover page, punch tya Parmeshwar. Parmeshwar means God. So God resides with punch, because punch is always just, and those people never give side of those people who are their friends. They just see what is true, they take the decision accordingly. Okay, so this was the story of Algu and Juman. And what happened next? Happy ending. Now Juman understood the earlier decision of Algu. Now he came to know that Algu, when he was the head punch, why he gave the decision in favor of Ant and not in favor of Juman. So he understood that justice sees no friend or enmity, it sees only the truth. So he went to Algu and embraced him. Now all the misunderstanding was gone now, and both were friends again. So this is all about the story of fair play. Hope you like this story. You can also make such interesting stories on your own and have fun. Okay, have a nice day. Thank you.